Welcome to our video on Step 5 of Send to Amazon, a streamlined shipment workflow that saves you time by simplifying Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, shipment creation. This step involves printing pallet labels. You'll only see this step on the Send to Amazon page in Seller Central if you're shipping pallets with an Amazon-partnered carrier. Now that your pallets are packed, it's time to apply pallet labels. Print your pallet labels by selecting your print format from the Pallet Labels drop-down menu and clicking Print Pallet Labels. This generates 4 copies of the FBA pallet ID and shipping label for each pallet in your shipment. Place one label squarely on each of the 4 sides of the pallet so that the forklift driver will be able to see them. You can also print the bill of lading, or BOL, in this step if you click View Tracking Details. For each pallet shipment, you must provide a valid BOL to the carrier so they can schedule a delivery appointment. The BOL will be generated no later than 8 a.m. local time the morning of pickup. During pickup, make sure you provide your assigned partnered carrier both the BOL and the Amazon reference number, or ARN. You can track each shipment by clicking the Track Shipment links at the bottom of the page. You've completed the last step of the Send to Amazon workflow. This concludes Step 5, Print Pallet Labels, as well as how to create a shipment if you're shipping pallets with an Amazon-partnered carrier. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store.